Dapat bola, buang bola. Apa lancau sial. Berita yang paling baik dan memberikan aku semangat adalah Cody Gakpo, anak emas slot tak main. Ya, bahaya ni Gina.
Bahaya Ong.
Come on lah boys. Tak boleh nak interaktif sangat. Oh! Apa lancau? We have to score, man.
Bahaya Kot.
Nobody mark him lah. Ada orang
Kena
mark
comeback
dia
ni tak
ke?
boleh jadi.
Allah. Kita macam kena tumbuk betul-betul ni. Kita dapat bola je, selalu hilang bola je.
Three, Darwin Nunez, Rindu Gakpo Takbang.
Tak. Midfield orang pressing gila siap. Striker pressing. Kau tengok Gala main macam mana. Very intensive. Very physical. Kita main lemah, kau tahu tak? Main slow. Lembik. Elan. Zomo, try je lah. Sikit je lagi. Sikit saja lagi. Mecca tu kena tukar siap. Tukar ketis lah. I don't mind. We hold the ball in the midfield lah. Baru tahu bertemu buku dengan ruas. Inilah Champions League. Inilah baru European game. Dia ingat dia boleh buat perangai Premier League ni. Kau pas macam tu. Sial lah weh. Dapat bola, buang bola. Apa lancau sial. Ekitike.
That was a good delivery, and it's gone in the back of the net, has it? It has. I don't know how, but it has. It has.
Go out.
Liverpool have scored.
Let's go boys, let's go. Let's go, we can go. We can go.
Adu.
Well, this is
Hah? Apa yang adu?
very tense. I mean, it does seem to me that it hit Ibrahima Konate on the upper arm.
Far.
Alah.
Goal di Salawat.
How is that a handball?
Yeah. The goal does not
GAKP Omain HAHAHA.
Ibrahima Konate. It's from Jacobs, hits Frimpong, who finds Sobos.